All right, welcome back, everyone. We've really come a far way. A lot of you, this is the first time using Premiere Pro. Look at this timeline. Look how nice it looks. It's just really structured, organized, non-destructive. I love it. How do we get this out of Premiere Pro? So what you're going to do for this assignment is essentially you're going to take your sequence and render it or export it, and then you're going to upload that file to YouTube, much like we've done in past lessons, and submit that YouTube link to the web courses page. So now that I have this element selected, I'm going to go ahead and exporting. You can do a ton of different ways. We're going to keep it simple. Go to the very top right-hand side of your screen. There's a little box with an up arrow. Left click on that. And what we're going to want to do is make sure that we have match sequence preview settings. We'll left click on that. And then click on the blue text. And we're going to call this, I'm going to call this Dombrowski render. You're going to want to call it, let's see, what's our naming convention? We don't really have one for this because you're using a YouTube. So you're welcome to name it whatever you want because it's going on YouTube. And then hit export. And there you have it. What it's going to do really quickly is render an MP4 file that you can then drag and drop into YouTube and upload to that link to your web course by the assignment due date. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And, what we really did is magical. In the, roughly 30 minutes or more, we've created something from scratch using stock footage to make it look cinematic with a ton of sound mixing. Premiere Pro is really a powerful tool to really elevate your visual storytelling. I can't wait to see you match what I created today. Have a great day. Talk to you in the next lesson.